Yes, chapter 1. Yes. Chapter 1. Let's know the history. In our yes, in our curriculum of
Curriculum.
curriculum
Curriculum.
of standard sixth, yes, curriculum of standard sixth, we will know about an interesting subject of social science. Social science gives us information about social world of man like geography, economics, social conditions and institutions, political activities and organizations.
Organization.
Subjects,
Organization नहीं बेटा. Organization.
yes, organization. Subjects other than history introduce, introduce us with social life of present time, while history gives us information about past of human society, with the help of which we know our present. Is it possible for us to know about social life of present time without having knowledge of past? How was man's life when he had not started using fire? Imagine how must have been life of people without agriculture, roads, transportation, houses, etc. History gives us information about customs and traditions, beliefs, diet and dress of people of different generations. We feel as if we are in some other world,
Wandering.
wandering in some other world. You must be thinking, why should we study about human society of the past? History is not only related with matters of past, but also acts as a record with the current system. What were our ancestors?
And sisters.
Yes, ancestors. Where did they live? What did they eat? History gives us information about many such matters. It informs us about changes that have occurred in human life. Tools and resources to know history. Yes, tools and resources to know history. Chintan read in a newspaper a 4,000-year-old city has been discovered in Kutch of Gujarat. He was surprised. How can we know that this city is 4,000 year old? Who might have built it? And how? What was the diet of the people there? Must have been wearing.
So
How can
all all this in sorry. So in your curriculum of standard 6, we will know about interesting subject of social science. Social science is an interesting subject, right? In our curriculum, we are going to know much about our, information about social world of man, like geography, economics, social conditions, economic conditions, social conditions, है ना? इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं? See, man is an also social animal. What is a man, beta? A human being. What is a
animal?
not animal actually, but a
Social
social, huh, a social animal where he requires all his basic needs. What are his basic needs? To get food, to get daily his requirement like food, shelter, and all this is basic needs, right? So social needs बोलते हैं जिसे social conditions and institutions, political activities and organization. Subjects. Other than history, introduces us with the social life of present time. What does it introduce, beta? What
Yes,
does it
ma'am.
introduce? What does the history introduce us?
About human past. Means past.
Yes, about the social life of human life, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
No one is replying, huh? Only two boys are only replying.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Right.
Right? Subjects other than history that introduces us with social life of present life. While history gives us information about the past of human society. What does it give it as?
Past of human society.
Means what? कि पहले which king used to rule, and then how did he came on the throne, and all this is what? The past of human society. And then we can compare, with the help of that we can compare, we can know our present. Is it possible for us to know about social life of present time without having the knowledge of the past? Is it possible, beta?
No, ma'am.
नो पहले कैसे रहते थे, फायर का इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ, है ना, व्हील का इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ, उसके विदाउट नोइंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दैट, can we come to know anything about the present?
No, ma'am.
No. Why we cannot come to know about the present?
Because we don't know about past.
हाँ, because if we don't know कि व्हील का इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ था, फायर का इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ था, तो हमें उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस भी नहीं पता चलेगी. यस और नो?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. I am lifting for 2 minutes because my mother has to call to someone else. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, but
Farhan
okay.
Ali Merchant.
Yes, Pranali Merchant, then immediately joined. Okay. So it is
Okay, ma'am.
possible.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome, Pranali Merchant. It is possible for us to know about the social life only from the history. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. So, how was man's life when he had not started using fire? Imagine how must have been life of people without agriculture, without roads, without transportation, without houses, etc., etc. So history gives us information regarding all such aspects. Okay, history takes us to different world of past. It gives us information about the customs, traditions, beliefs, diet means what they used to eat, what they used to dress of people of different generations. Like early men, we learned in the previous class that he wore the skin of the dead animals. Then what did he else wore? The leaves, right? The leaves of the dead, the leaves of the plants, right? So we come to know from all the history. We feel as if we are wandering in some other world. हमें एक ऐसा फील होता है कि हम कोई अलग ही दुनिया में है. We are wandering in some other world. Now, you must be thinking, why should we study all these things? Yes, Hassan? हमें ऐसा विचार आता होगा ना कि हमें ये सब क्यों पढ़ना है ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? कि भाई આવું બધું મેમ કેમ
Yes.
કરાવે છે? But history is not only related with the matters of the past, but also acts as a record with the current situation. કે ઈ connected છે current situation સાથે. What is it બેટા? It is connected with the current situation. है ना?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
were our ancestors, हमारे पूर्वजों, हमारे दादा के दादा के दादा के दादा परदादा क्या करते थे, कैसे खाते थे, कैसे रहते थे, है ना? तो ये सब हमें कहाँ से पता चलता है बेटा? How do we come to know?
About past.
From the,
Past,
yes,
past,
yes, from the past, from various Sources. From where do we come to know all this?
Ma'am,
From
resources of history.
yes, yes, from various sources. So, what did they eat, and how did they, get information? What did they, how did they live? Where did they live? Okay, all these changes that have occurred in human life. Okay, so we come to know from various sources. Now, tools and resources to know the history, right? Tools and resources, beta, that we know from history, that we come to know from the history, जिससे हमें पता चले हिस्ट्री के बारे में, वो अब हम देखेंगे। क्या देखेंगे बेटा?
हिस्ट्री के बारे में।
सोर्सेस, रिसोर्सेस, राइट, कि कहाँ कहाँ से हमें क्या क्या पता चल सकता है हिस्ट्री के बारे में, है ना, वो अब हमें देखना है। So, Chintan, reading a newspaper, a 4,000-year-old city has been found, discovered in Kutch of Gujarat. Where is it discovered, beta?
Kutch of Gujarat.
Yes. कितना पुराना city?
4,000 year old
Yes,
city.
a 4,000-year-old city has been discovered in Kutch of Gujarat. And he was surprised. What was he, beta? He was very much surprised. Why? Why? Why was he surprised?
Because it shocked that a 4,000 year old building.
Ah, so immediately the questions came into his mind. What type of
Yeah.
questions came?
That
कि
who made and
हाँ, किसने बनाया होगा, कि कैसे बनाया होगा, तब तो टूल्स एंड वेपन्स नहीं थे, ट्रैक्टर्स नहीं थे, लोड जो एक जगह से ले जाए, है ना, तो व्हाट
yes,
एफर्ट्स दे माइट हैव डन। यस, यस और नो?
ma'am.
हाँ
Yes,
बेटा
ma'am.
बोलो।
Ma'am, diet means what was the diet of the people there means?
हाँ, व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू ईट, है ना,
Okay.
वो लोग क्या खाते थे। ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
व्हाट वर दे वेयरिंग, व्हाट वर दे ईटिंग, है ना। कभी कभी हम फ्री बैठे होते, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दादा दादी फ्री बैठे होते, तो वो कैसे बोलने लगते थे कि हमारा जमाना में तो पिज्जा पिज्जा का होता आज नहीं, बोलते हैं कि नहीं।
Yes, ma'am.
तो तो हम तुरंत पूछते, तो आप लोग क्या खाते थे, आप लोग के पास पिज्जा नहीं था, पास्ता नहीं था, तो आप लोग क्या खाते थे, तो वो लोग बोलते होंगे कि हम लोग तो रोटी चपाटी भाखरी ये सब खाते थे, है कि नहीं।
Yes, ma'am.
यस और नो, है
मैम,
ना।
वो तो अभी
तो
भी वही
एक,
खाते हैं।
हाँ, उन लोगों की तो हैबिट हो चुकी है ना, ईटिंग गुड फूड, और हम लोग थोड़े
मैम, हम लोग भी वही
डिफरेंट
खाते
हैं।
हैं।
हाँ, पर कभी कभी हम लोग वेस्टर्न फूड्स भी, ये बाहर के फूड्स भी खा लेते हैं ना, जो हमें नहीं खाने चाहिए, विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर स्टमक, विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ, बट फिर भी हम खाते हैं, जानते हैं फिर भी खाते हैं, जंक फूड जिसे बोलते हैं, राइट।
मैम, लेकिन हम लोग तो भाखरी और वही खाते हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
हु इज इट, कौन है, गुड बॉय है, चलो। So such type of food, right? So immediately question came into his mind. कैसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन आए, जैसे हसन ने अभी बताया कि who might have built it and how, what was the diet of the people there, what type of clothes they must have been wearing, है ना, ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चंस चिंतन के माइंड में आने लगे। So how can we know these things? We know history, we have different tools to know history, okay, जैसे ताड़पत्रस and भोजपत्रस, right? Okay, yes. Shafik wanted to read. No, Shafik, read this paragraph about the Tadpatras and Bhojpatras.
मैम, कैन आई क्विट आगे क्वेश्चन?
I gave the chance to Shafik. Next, Nakviragi Hassan, you will get.
यस मैम। ताड़पत्र एंड भोजपत्र. Plum leaves and break forest.
were writing. What we call manuscript today. Tadapatra means manuscript written on leaves of plum leaves.
प्लम नहीं बोला है, શું
Bhojpatra
बोला है? प्लम નો બોલાય, પામ લીવ્સ બોલાય. શું બોલાય?
plum
પ્લામ નહીં, પામ પામ.
palm.
હમ.
Bhojpatra means manuscript writing on bridge. Break break with a food in the Himalayas with the help of manuscript writing on palm leaves and break of bridge. We get information about their language and lifestyle. Many such manuscripts have been found. Manuscript writing on palm leaves and break of bridge give you information about men of ancient
Ancient.
ancient Indian.
Yes. So what does all this give us, beta? Information about the ancient India. Now, what are Tadpatras and Bhojpatras? Who will say me? Anyone remember?
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ say beta.
Ma'am, Bhojpatras is written a letter on a beach of bark of
हाँ,
beach.
the bark of trees. Letters नहीं. The writings, the orders, the different rules and regulations ये जो लिखते थे उसे उसे बोलते थे. Understood? It is not the writings. It is not the letters. Okay. Okay. So ancient time I'll read it now. Okay. In ancient times, men used palm leaves and birch bark for writing. What we all call manuscripts today. What do we all call it? Beta?
Manuscript.
Manuscripts. Okay. We call it manuscripts. Okay. Today. તાડપત્ર means manuscripts. Manuscripts એટલે શું ખબર છે? મેને લખ્યું હોય ને, human beings એ મેને લખ્યું હોય ને, એને manuscripts કહેવાય. સમજાણું? What are
Okay, ma'am.
manuscripts? જે human beings મેને લખ્યું હોય ને, those are manuscripts. Okay. Okay. Which is found in the Himalayas with the help of manuscripts written on the palm leaves and bark of tree. We get information about their language and lifestyle. क्या मिलता है हमें उससे बेटा? Information. किसकी information? कि उनकी language कैसी थी, उनकी lifestyle कैसी थी, ये सब, right? So, many such manuscripts have been found. Manuscripts are written on palm leaves and bark of beech gives information about men of ancient India. See, these are beech bark and palm leaves. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Such manuscripts have been preserved in temples and monasteries. कहाँ पे preserve किया जाता है इनको? Temples, monasteries और कभी कभी libraries में भी होते हैं, museums में भी होते हैं. Okay? So they are preserved. Preserved मतलब कि उनको उनका ध्यान रखा जाता है. Okay? Now they have text. उस पे लिखाई कैसी होती है? संस्कृत में, प्राकृत में और तमिल में, उन सब लैंग्वेजेस में. जो पुराने जो हमें टेक्स्ट मिलेंगे ना, जो ओरिजिनल लिखाई होती है वो बेटा इंग्लिश में, गुजराती में नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो तब ये लैंग्वेजेस नहीं थी. अंडरस्टूड? Even poems, dramas, stories, and epics were also written on ताड़पत्रस and भोजपत्रस. कहाँ पे लिखे जाते थे बेटा?
Tarpatra and Bhojpatra.
Yes, even stories. Okay. Epics were also written on Tadpatras and Bhojpatras. They have also been preserved in the form of books. How are they preserved, beta? In the
Form of book.
Commerce books.
form of books. They give us knowledge about customs and traditions, social beliefs, lifestyles of kings, since science, education, medicine, animals, etc. etc. ओके, हमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है कि तब साइंस कैसा था, एजुकेशन कैसे थी, मेडिसिन क्या क्या वो लोग लेते थे, this is first was what source system. Second is Tatpatras and Bhojpatras. The second is inscription. Yes, Nakvira, give us you wanted to read now? Yes, Nakvira, yes, you wanted to read. Can you read?
Okay, ma'am. Uh, Ma'am, inscriptions, articles which are carved on the metals and stones are called stone inscriptions. We can know about history from stone inscriptions. Many times inscriptions were done on metal also. Kings used to converse with people by carving his orders and commands on these rocks. Many kings and queens have inscribed information about their kingdom, victories, religion, and culture on these stones. Stone inscriptions of Ashoka are very famous. Records and inscriptions written on these are long lasting.
Yes. Stone inscriptions, why they are long lasting? See, ताड़पत्रस एंड मेन्यू ताड़पत्रस एंड भोजपत्रस वो ऐसे इंस्क्रिप्शंस थे बेटा जिससे टाइम जाते जाते लाइक अवर बुक्स ऑल्सो आर इटन बाय सम स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स है ना. तो ताड़पत्रस एंड भोजपत्रस दे वर ऑल्सो इटन बाय स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स. Do you understand? So what did the people start? They started writing on the on what beta? They started writing on stone inscriptions. क्यों stone inscriptions पे लिखना चालू किया? ताकि वो लंबे तक रहे, लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन तक रहे. अंडरस्टूड? यस बेटा, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट क्लियर?
What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो है ऊपर जो ये ताड़पत्र से भोजपत्र से, ओके, it were being destroyed by small insects. ओके, it started destroying, मतलब कि उससे सब टाइप ऑफ कभी कभी इंसेक्ट्स खा जाते हैं. जैसे आपकी भी पुरानी बुक होगी तो उसमें आप देखोगे कि इंसेक्ट्स खा जाते हैं वो, है ना. तो दे स्टार्टेड सच टाइप ऑफ स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शंस बिकॉज स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शंस जो है वो प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन के लिए. ओके, वो दैट वोंट बी ईटन अप बाय इंसेक्ट्स. So they started writing on stone inscriptions. Then they started on metal inscriptions, copper plates, और इस तरह से चेंजेस आते गए. आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात?
Okay, ma'am.
So that the people can ये सब क्यों कहते थे?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that the other generation people can also read their achievements, can go through it. Understood? Understood till here or not?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so articles which are carved on metals and stone are called stone inscriptions. What are they called, beta? They are called stone inscriptions. What are they called, beta?
Stone inscriptions.
Very
Transcription.
good. Yes. So we can know about history from stone inscriptions. हमें कहाँ से पता चल सकती है हिस्ट्री के बारे में? From the stone
Stone
inscriptions.
inscriptions.
Yes, different stone inscriptions. मैंने ऐसे ऐसा स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन है ना, यहाँ पे भी है जूनागढ़ में. अशोका पिलर है ना, उस पे है, उस पे से ही हमारा अशोक चक्र लिया गया है. अशोक चक्र जो है हमारा जो नेशनल एम्बलम है वो एक ऐसे स्टोन इंस्क्रिप्शन से ही लिया गया है. डू यू गेट माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
समझाणो यहाँ સુધી? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उस पे क्या लिखा
Yes,
जाता
ma'am.
था? Many king and queens, they used to write orders કે તમારે આમ કરવાનું છે, you have to do this, you have to pay this much tax, you have to do that. એવું બધું જે લખે ને એને ક્યાં લખે? સ્ટોન ઇન્સ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં. so that people we can read it and we can follow it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes. Now we will see copper plates and tamar
Yes.
patras. Okay. Yes, Hassan, read beta.
Yes, ma'am. One minute. Yes, yes. Copper plate,
Tamar.
tamrapatra.
Huh.
Yes,
Copper plates are also known as tamra patra. Okay.
yes, tamrapatra. The text which is engraved on copper sheet is called tadpatra. Many
Tad
kings
patra.
have
You remember about tad patra? I had taught you in fifth class.
yes.
Hmm. Very good.
Tadpatras. Many kings have engraved information about their administration and donations on tadpatras. Such tadpatras.
ना जाने अंदर तो सीधा हो जा
Yes. Who is talking in middle?
Ma'am, Ragib Michael.
Ragi, please don't
The
talk in
mental
middle.
must also.
मैम बाय
Hassan.
मिस्टेक
Okay, beta. No problem. Yes, Hassan. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Donation. Yes. Um, yes. Kings have engraved information about their administration and donation on tadpatras. Such tadpatras have been found in Gujarat in large number. They give us information about many religion, administration, and donation. Such tamrapatras have been preserved in a
1 minute, beta. My screen is on. Yes, beta. Continue. Hemchandracharya Library. Bolo.
yes. Such tamrapatras have been preserved in Hemchandra Library in Patna, North Gujarat.
Patna nahi, Patan.
Yes, Patan, North Gujarat, LD Institute of Indol. What ma'am written? Institutes
LD
of
Institute of Indology. Navrangpura.
Inology, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad, BG Learning and Research Studies, Vidya Bhavan, Ahmedabad, Sri Mahavir Jain,
Vidyalay.
Aradhan Kendra, Koba,
Aradhana.
Gandhinagar.
Aradhana.
Aradhana Kendra, Koba, Gandhinagar.
Very good.
Coins.
Please
Yes,
continue.
coins.
I'll explain both together.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, coins. Coins are also an important source to know about history. We get information about name of king, his religion, culture, and time from these coins. Punchmark coins of 5th BC have been found in India, which is the oldest coin. Other than other than this, gold, silver, and copper coins of Greek kings found. Yes, modern age, Gupta age have been found. They give us information about the social, religious, economic, and political structure of that state.
Hmm. So, copper plates, which are known as Tamarpatra also. Okay. What are they? They are tax free, which is engraved on copper sheet. मैंने पहले आपको बोला ना कि they started on stones, they started on copper plates, metal plates, right? So they started all the story in the plates, okay, copper plates, metal plates, right? Now ये कहाँ पे find out होती है? You know, in Gujarat, in lot of places it is found. और इस पे क्या लिखा जाता था? Total administration, information about administration and donation of the various kings, है ना? तो ये कहाँ पे find out होते हैं? एक तो हेमचंद्र लाइब्रेरी इन पाटन, फिर एलडी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडोलॉजी नवरंगपुरा अहमदाबाद, फिर बीजे लर्निंग एंड रिसर्च स्टडीज विद्या विद्या भवन अहमदाबाद, एंड श्री महावीर जैन आराधना केंद्र कोबा गांधीनगर, इन सब जगहों पे ये हमें मिलता है इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट. सो ऑल दिस आर व्हाट बेटा, they are different sources of history. What are they beta? What are they? Different sources of history.
Sources of history.
हाँ. So who will say me without seeing on my screen, what are different sources of